Count the number of occurrences of a character in a string. How do I count the number of occurrences of a character in a string? For example, A appears in Mary had a little lamb 4 times.
str.count sub, start, end return the number of non-overlapping occurrences of substring sub in the range, start, end. Optional arguments start and end are interpreted as in slice notation.
You can use .count.
To get the counts of all letters, use collections.counter.
Regular expressions may be
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.